Okay. Umpisa pa lang po yan. Okay, kung napapansin nyo, nung dinemo ko ang basic ng waltz, meron siyang rise and fall. Okay? On the third beat, naglo-lower tayo, ibig sabihin nagbe-bend yung knee, no? Tapos on the first beat, you go forward, no? Okay, try to follow me. Dito muna tayo lahat ng marap. Okay. On the first beat, you go forward. On the second beat, you go to the side. Tapos stepping on your toe, no? Ball of the foot. On the third beat, you're going. So back, side, close. Back, side, close. Forward, side, close. 1, 2, 3. 1. Let's try to move, no? Circular. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Very good. Okay, palakpakan niyo naman sarili niyo. Nakuha niyo na yan. Okay, now, you can get your partners, okay? Get your partner. Quick. Alright. Can we try the music? I'll show it first, no? Pakita muna namin sa inyo, no? Bago natin gawin. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Quick. Okay? So, yung quick count, mabilis. So, kailangan maliit lang ang step.
Okay, doon na kayo.
Okay, nakita niyo po yan? Okay, let's try to do it together. Pwede dito ka? Dito sa oras. Para masandali yan. Okay, ready? Five, ready position. Five,